I had all the gas tank bottle full. Yeah.
The waiting man.
No.
A lot of work. Oh, where are you from? I think you said California, huh?
Yeah, LA area.
You just traveling by yourself?
Yeah.
Did you go to Quartzsite too?
Yeah.
I said I have to. See, I had been really sick, so I couldn't get here earlier. But I wanted to get down here before it was over because it was a good time to come and meet everybody in one place.
Yeah,
and
totally.
it wasn't too far away.
Right.
Look at his head. Well, I would not want to be the person on that chair. Wow, look at this. Look, it's one of those old wicker chairs. Oh, look at the guns. Toy guns. It's very cool, huh? See the mannequins upside down inside the car? Oh, look at the shoes.